Here we have a large custom home. This home was originally designed for wood frame construction. The client made the change to steel frame when presented with the benefits of our steel frame products. On this project, the switch to steel had very little impact on the design and budget of the home. The first benefit is less waste. Wood framing can waste up to 20% of materials. Our steel framing, less than 2%, and 100% of that is recyclable. Every panel is precision cut and pre-assembled off-site, so you only get what you need. The second benefit is improved efficiency. As you can see, this is a very complex build. With our steel products, we were able to match the intended design, but improved it with a perfectly straight finish. The third benefit is our panelized steel framing arrives ready to install, which significantly reduces on-site time and labor. No material surprises, no worry of theft, just faster builds and smoother schedules. The fourth benefit is better quality. Steel is inorganic and dimensionally stable, which means it doesn't warp, shrink, rot, or support mold. You get straighter walls, tighter fits, and fewer on-site errors, all engineered to exact specs. The fifth benefit is steel is non-flammable, meaning it will not burn or add to the spread of fire. The steel frame home is a safer home, and this was important to the client. The last benefit, design flexibility. Our steel supports longer spans and taller walls, leading to more ambitious designs. It truly is stronger, smarter steel.